Bismilla mon e nder Pular English. You welcome in Pular English.
One. Al-Hassan always arrive early. 2. I never go to the cinema. 3. Mariam always work hard. 4. Children usually like chocolate.
1. Go. Al-Hassan always arrive early. Al-Hassan yani fof ko law arata. 2. Didi. I never go to the cinema. Mi Meda Yaade cinema. 3. Tati. Mariam always work hard. Mariam yani fof ne liggo no fewi. 4. Nay. Children usually like chocolate. Ada ene yari sukaɓe ene jiɗi chocolate. 5. Must always enjoy parties. 6. I often forget people's name. 7. Abdul never watch television. 8. They usually have dinner at 7:30. 9. Abhim always wear nice clothes. 5. Joy. Must always enjoy parties. Must yani fof ne weltoro kewuji. 6. Jegom. I often forget people's names. Saha fof mbiɗa yejita inɗe yimɓe. 7. Jeɗiɗi. Abdul never watch television. Abdul meɗa yedde television. 8. Jegom. They usually have dinner at 7:30. Ɓe kewi hirtade ko 7:30. 9. Jeenayi. Abhim always wear nice clothes. Abhim yani fof ɓornoto ko comci joɗɗi. 10. I usually watch TV in the evening. 11. I sometimes read in bed. 12. She never get up before 7 o'clock. 13. I often go to work by bus. 14. We usually drink coffee in the morning. 10. Sappo. I usually watch TV in the evening. Kewmi yedde tele wakkati hiide. 11. Sappo e go. I sometimes read in bed. Sahaji beɗe janga e dow baldi. 12. Sappo e ɗiɗi. She never get up before 7 o'clock. O meeɗa immade ko adi 7 heures. 13. Sappo e tati. I often go to work by bus. Sahaji beɗe yara bis golle. 14. Sappo e nayi. We usually drink coffee in the morning. Kewɗen yarde kafe ko subaka.
On jarama no fewi e jebgol bandiraɓe. Oɗon jijjite wadde partager, abonné, aimer. So wonko jiɗɗa namdade waɗ commentaire. Yo en jewdir ñanonde. Bye.